In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.2, question 2, part 10. And question is that we have to integrate I for integral 1 divided by 1 plus cos of x dx. Right? So first of all, we will see the formula here. I will show you that cos square x by 2, it is the half angle. Cos square x is full angle, x by 2 is the half angle, which is equal to 1 plus cos of x divided by 2. So see here we have 1 plus cos of x, 1 plus cos of x, but we do not have 2 in the denominator, so we will cross multiply. 2 will multiply with cos square x by 2 equal to 1 plus cos of x. Now 1 plus cos of x, we have 1 plus cos of x, which is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Right, so we will write down here 1. Instead of 1 plus cos of x, we will write down 2 cos square x by 2 dx. 1 over 2 we will take, because it is constant, we can write down besides the integral sign. Now we have 1 cos square x by 2 dx. And as we know that there is no integration for 1 divided by cos square x by 2, so we can write instead of 1 divided by cos square x by 2 secant square x by 2 dx. So for integration, you know the formulas and trigonometry very well. Here see 1 over 2, and the integration of secant square x by 2 is tangent x by 2. So this is the angle, right, tangent of x, and then it is multiplied by 1 by 2. So here you have to divide it by with the same 1 by 2 as well, plus c, constant of integration. This is 1 over 2, 1 over 2, it will cancel each other, but I can show you like this. You can write down 2 over 2 multiply by tangent of x over 2 plus c. This 2 and this 2 will cancel, so tangent of x over 2 plus c is our answer. So what we used here, 1 plus cos of x. 1 plus cos of x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. You have to write down instead of 1 plus cos of x 2 cos square x by 2, and then you have to do the integration. Still any point is not clear, please ask me, and thanks for watching.